guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make avocado fries in your air fryer. Avocado is awesome. I love it. So many people love it, and it's even better fried. But what's better than a fried avocado? An air fried avocado that is even healthier for you. So let's get started. You're going to want to slice your avocado nice and thin. We have about half a cup of flour here that we're going to just dip it in, shake off the excess flour. And then we have 2 eggs beaten in this bowl. Same thing, shake off the extra egg. And then we have some panko breadcrumbs that we're just going to give it a little bath in and then add it to our plate. So one more time, guys, we're going to do a little bit of flour. Feel free to help yourself out with a spare hand. A little bit of egg. Perfect. And then those panko breadcrumbs. So if you want to use a fork, go ahead, or your fingers, whatever works best. You just got to get them all dredged up and ready for your air fryer. Once you have your avocados done and they're nicely laid out on your plate, you're going to preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees, and then you're going to give the tops of your avocado a nice spray. We're going to put them spray side down and then also spray the other side once they're in the air fryer. So just a nice spray. Once your air fryer is ready, you're going to put them sprayed side down, line them up in your tray, and again, this is preheated at 400 degrees, and we're just going to lay them out in our tray in our air fryer. Spray side down. Then we're going to spray the sides that we haven't sprayed with just a light spray, and then push it in for cooking. After our air fryer is preheated to 400 degrees, we're going to pop them in for about 8 minutes or so, and we're going to flip them halfway through cooking. When 4 minutes is done, just give them a little toss, flip them over, and allow the other side to cook. And after that time, they're nice and fried up. They look epic, and you could just plate them and dig in. You could serve with whatever favorite sauce you might have. I suggest maybe something a little spicy, like a spicy mayo or something like that. But you have yourself here some delicious air-fried avocado fries, and you saw how easy that is in the air fryer. It's really not tough at all. So here's a perfect bite size for me. So I'm going to hook this back in. I'll let you know what I think. Oh, hot. Very good. It's so good. The avocado is so creamy on the inside. And it's crunchy on the outside. It feels like it's fried. It's really awesome. All we had to do was cook them at that 400 degrees. We just gave them a flip halfway through, tossed them over about 4 minutes in, and we have some delicious fried avocado. I'm going to have mine with a little bit of sriracha, hold the mayo, and they're going to be really epic. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Every Tuesday, we do fun things like fry up avocados. If you have anything to say about this recipe, do that below. And find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.